Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to delete protected partitions in Windows 11. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. In Disk 1 cannot delete system partition. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Diskpart. Type list space disk. Find your disk number, in my case disk number is 1. Type cell space, disk 1. Type list part. First select partition 1. Type cell space, part space, 1. Partition 1 is selected. Type del space, part space, override. Select Partition 2. Delete partition 2. Create new simple volume and format. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.